we should be good. So yeah, a couple of setups here potentially forming. We got gold. I don't know if you guys saw me send that in the Discord, but basically just the quick analysis rundown on this is we saw a sweep of these lows from basically pre-London session. And this is actually a low that got taken as well with the market open. And then we pushed up with obviously some pretty energetic displacement. So pull back here, optimal trade entry, order block, fill this imbalance, sweep this liquidity that it's engineering currently, and ride this thing up. And yeah, what I'm thinking is 1 to 2 for full take profit, 1 to 1 for just going risk free. You guys can obviously partial differently if that's what you want to do, but that's my plan for this trade. And then if you wanted to, you could potentially hold up into these highs, but yeah, that's the setup for gold. And then as far as these indices go, we're getting a run on liquidity right now with ES to the downside. So I want to see if during this 9 o'clock hour we're going to get some displacement back up. One thing to note though that's interesting is if you go to NASDAQ, we've actually now taken out this high finally. So we've taken out this high on NAS. Compare that to ES. Obviously, you guys can tell the structure looks a lot different. This is just the position from yesterday that we were waiting on for PM session that didn't activate in time, but it ultimately, did play out. Even if we would have entered, though, the problem with it is the market closes, right here. So like you would have got in, market closed. So I wouldn't have even wanted to hold it overnight anyway. So. But still cool to see it. I mean, it still played out, right? We got the gap entry, took out this liquidity, which was what we were aiming for. But now, let's see what we get. Since we're taking out this low right here, I kind of want to see us displace back up, truthfully. And maybe take out all this trendline liquidity right here. And then aim for maybe even these highs. But yeah, this is the London high right here. So I think this could be a solid target for us. Thinking a little bit, longer term, but let's see what we get here. I want to get us into the 9 o'clock hour at least. 8:59. We got about 45 seconds. I'm just gonna make this a solid line. It's kind of throwing me off looking at it like that. But yeah, that's all I got for right now. And looking at the news, yeah, there's nothing for news. It was pre-market. We had core retail sales, which is bullish for indices. So all of that is kind of lining up. I have a limit set on gold, by the way, guys, on MetaTrader. For whatever reason, it literally doesn't let me set it on this futures account. So maybe there's a rule that I missed that says I can't trade gold during a combine. I don't know what the deal is, but can't set a limit there. And I have a limit set here on MetaTrader. So I would just get ready. Gold just tapped off the alert. Let's go to ES. All right, boom. All right, ES is moving. Holy moly. All right, let's wait for this next candle. Let's wait for this next candle and see if we can get a nice, clean fair value gap to enter off of. So I'm going to do, I guess, 5-point TP, 5-point stop loss. 21 seconds left, so I'm just going to get ready here. I'm only doing a 5-point stop loss because it gives us a little bit more cushion, I guess, with this low. But we might not need it. We might be able to change it. We might be able to change that stop loss depending on where this gap closes. Or it might just be a little bit less. All right, so if we get a pull down into here, guys, I'm going to go long. I need to get ready to market execute. Boom. All right, so I went long right there. And my stop loss, I can move it up to right here. And then, yeah, take profit 1 is going to be right here at 5 handles. Oh, geez, bro. Jumpy. And then targeting these highs up here. Wow, bro. Chill out. Holy. We got a sweep of sell side, displacement up, fair value gap, so that's the play that we went for. But it looks like I'm gonna get stopped out. Yeah. All right. Looks like we're adapting on the fly here, guys. I'm gonna go just above. Yeah, 5. No, that's 5.25. Let's go 5 handles. Damn. All right, this is gonna be for all the YouTube trolls. Why would you sell when we sweep sell side? What are you guys gonna say about this? Swept sell side and we're selling off. Just unfortunate. But yeah, I'm gonna play this now. So, yeah, story of the week so far has been 0-1 yesterday, missed NASDAQ by 4 points. Stop loss today on SPX. And we'll see what this brings us. But damn, yeah, I was hoping we could keep the winning streak going from the end of last week. We're gonna get one of these weeks, guys. There's gonna come a period. There's gonna come a period over the course of this summer at some point where we're gonna have a win streak like no other, and it's just gonna be winning trade after winning trade with no losses. I'm just gonna market execute once I see price push up into that gap. Might get a little bit better entry even on MetaTrader. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be my last trade of the morning. And hey, whatever happens, happens. I feel like it's just gonna pop right up into the gap quick. Bro. Holy. Alright, you popped up into the gap like we thought. Now you know what to do. I got a better entry on MetaTrader. I literally got filled up here. Yeah, you can definitely enter on EQ of the fair value gap if you want. We're going straight to stop loss. Whoa, what the hell? All right, let's see what we get. Let's see if we get that SMT divergence. My goodness. We need this high to stay intact. Hopefully I don't get finessed here. I'm going to close my MetaTrader manually once it gets above this high. So hopefully I don't get finessed on that, but I want to keep this this risk constantly below 0.5% or 0.5% max per trade. So all right, 0-2. 0-2, and I'm done. I'm done there. We're just gonna hold gold. We're just creeping back into. Oh, let's watch and see what happens. But you guys, let me know if you guys are still in. Yeah, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. I'm 0-3 on SPX this week, bro. No, don't do me like that. I'm gonna watch and see though. And I'm not gonna enter. I'm not gonna chase it. If it does it, I'm just gonna take the pain. It's gonna be like what is it like? It's gonna be like your girl's cheating on you because your homie told you and he showed you proof and everything, and then you confront her and she just keeps lying about it. This is it right here. If this just tanks. So I'm not gonna keep trying to get in. But if it's hopefully you guys didn't get stopped. Some of you guys are still in. Richard's still in. That's all I can say. If you got stopped, I'm right here with you. We're in it. We're in it together. But holy, oh no. I mean, fuck. Look at that. TP1 hit. But yeah, guys, there's not really much else to say. I mean, I'm 0-3. I'm 0-3 this week. On the S&P 500, we're still in gold. We're in some drawdown right now. We'll just continue to hold that and see where it goes. But yeah, if you guys took this trade and you went risk-free here, you obviously got stopped at break even most likely, unless your entry was up in here. If your entry is up in here and you're still holding, great. We'll see where it goes. Yeah, guys, I mean, I don't really have anything else to go over, and I don't want to hold you guys if you guys don't have any questions. But yeah, managed risk, did what we could do, and we're just going to keep coming back to the market with the same systematic approach because we already know that it works. We already know that it works. Don't throw in the strategy with the kitchen sink just because a couple back-to-back losing days. You know, it'll all be fine by the end of the week. Hopefully, we're looking at Monday and Tuesday of this week, and we're just laughing, saying, you know, who cares? So we'll leave it at that. Have an amazing Tuesday, though. Don't let any losses or anything affect your day today. Still live your life, enjoy it, have fun, smile, be grateful, and there's always more trading, guys. And you already know we're gonna make it back and then some. So yeah, guys, we'll leave it at that. I'll keep you guys updated with any updates on the gold setup in the Discord. But appreciate you guys. Have an amazing day. If you need anything, reach out. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys in the Discord and on the call tomorrow.